Hello people, so today we will talk about CapCut and I would like to give you a tips and tutorial the way how you can make your text on a video like bouncing in the whole video. So here I already have the video and let's just add the text. So we just need to go click the text sections here, click add text, and you just need to prepare the text that you want to have here. So here I would like to use the bunch. Now you can also styling the fonts by click the font side and you just need to pick the fonts that you want, but I would like to leave it this way because I love this font. The next thing you need to do is just go visit the animation. I have two recommendations to make your text look like bouncing. So you just need to click the loop sections, means that the effect will be applied into the whole section of the text. So you just need to like scrolling down. So the first effect that I would like to give to you is jump. Right here, click it. You can adjusting the speed. You can make it like slow or you can also make it fast. If you want to make it slow, drag it into the right side. If you already done adjusting it, you just need to go click this checklist button. So here is the result after you applied the jump effects on the text. Okay, the next thing is the second effect that I would like to suggest you. So I would like to click the sections and then just go click animation, stay in a loop, and then you just need to like scrolling down. There will be like in the right side and there will be random bounce right here. So you just need to go click it and you will got a bounce for every letters on the text. So you can also adjust in the speeds too, and then you just need to go click the checklist button and here is the result. So which one you prefer, guys? So yeah, that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy and let's meet again into other tutorial.